The population of India is now more than 1,000 million, and over 40 million have now been diagnosed with diabetes in India. The prevalence of diabetes is estimated to rise to 400 million by 2025. Diabetes mellitus, commonly called as diabetes, is a disease of metabolic disorder where the blood sugar levels tend to remain high, either because of insufficient insulin, which is produced by the pancreas, or the insulin is not utilized by the body. Diabetes can't be cured, but it can be controlled. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In case of type 1, there is no secretion of insulin by the body. So, the person who suffers from type 1 diabetes requires supplementation of insulin exogenously. Type 2 diabetes can be further divided into lean type and obese type. In case of lean type, there is a lack of insulin secretion from beta cells of the pancreas. But in case of obese type 2, insulin secretion is normal in the body, but the same can't be utilized by the body because of obesity. 90% of diabetes cases in India are due to change in lifestyle, obesity, and family history. The classic symptoms of untreated diabetes are weight loss, blurry vision, fatigue, excessive urination, hunger, slow healing of cuts, and itchy skin. Sion Nutri India has come up with Gluconorm for all of you to control your blood sugar level effectively. It is effective in both the type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is a supplement which controls blood glucose, either by inhibiting absorption of blood glucose from the intestine or increasing insulin secretion from the pancreas. Salacia reticulate in Sion Gluconorm reduces glucose absorption from the intestines. Methi slows down the rate of sugar absorption into the blood. The most important herb in Sion Gluconorm is Gymnema, which is a South Korean herb which regulates blood sugar by blocking the absorption of sugar in the intestines and stimulating insulin release from the pancreas. Jamun basically converts sugar into energy, and Neem, Karela, and Chireta in Gluconorm reduce blood sugar level. Sion Gluconorm is very effective in borderline diabetic patients, and it can be given as an adjuvant therapy with allopathic anti-diabetic drugs. For the person who has a family history of diabetes, Gluconorm can be taken as a preventive therapy. Sion Gluconorm should be taken after meals twice daily, generally after breakfast or after lunch or after dinner.